This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by engaging low resonance immediately. Stand tall, relax shoulders, and take a deep 3-4 second inhale. Start with lip trills and hum descending scales to find the chest vibration. Listen for a fuller, darker timbre. Once you feel resonance in the chest, lower pitch slowly by 1-2 semitones per repetition while keeping breath steady. Make sure to keep the throat open and jaw loose. This prevents strain and anchors the sound below your normal speaking range. Once done with basic resonance, guide the larynx down just slightly using a gentle yawn-sigh sensation. Do not push. Use vowel modification, round and darken vowels to ah or o to maintain clarity while dropping an octave. Continue by descending in half-step increments and holding each pitch for a few beats, repeating 4-6 times per step to train the vocal folds. Make sure to monitor breath support and keep pressure even so folds adduct cleanly without breathiness or strain. To finish, practice speaking short phrases and sentences in the new lower register until it feels natural. Start slow and increase speed. Record yourself and compare tonal quality and resonance so you can adjust breath support or vowel shaping where the sound thins. If you encounter strain, raspiness, or pain, stop immediately, rest 10-15 minutes, and repeat with gentler onset and lighter volume. One key troubleshooting tip: if pitch slips or tension returns, simplify to humming and rebuild support before attempting the octave drop again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.